Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to manage your crypto more securely or dive deeper into the Solana ecosystem, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Coinbase and Phantom wallet. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app or extension. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're logged into Phantom, go to your wallet dashboard and copy your Ethereum address. This is crucial because it's like your unique bank account number for crypto transfers. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, head over to your Coinbase account, log in securely, and navigate to your Ethereum holdings. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste the one you copied from Phantom, then specify the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those before proceeding. Next, review the transaction details carefully. Coinbase will show you a summary, including the estimated arrival time and any fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transfer with your two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, which is a big deal in the crypto world. After that, sit tight. Ethereum transactions on the network can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on congestion. Once it's done, open your Phantom wallet to see your Ethereum safely landed. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your Ethereum from Coinbase to Phantom. This process keeps your assets more decentralized and gives you greater control. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.